Hi everyone, James here. This is the final reveal of the Italieri 1/72 scale Heinkel HE-111 conversion to a Casa 2.111 from the Battle of Britain film. Very pleased with the outcome. It's very convincing and try to get it accurate to the ones in the film. The build went together really well. The only issue I had was fitting the wings. There was a step, so I had to sand back to get it flush. A fellow subscriber and model builder advised me when fitting the canopy that the forward gunner's hammock obstructed the fitment. So I positioned the gunner's hammock more to the pilot side, and then it could fit. So this is the final reveal of the Casa 2.111. Thanks for watching.